Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and before we get tonight's cook on, I just want to say thank you to the 5,000 subscribers that I've reached. I'm going to start thanking each and every one of you, so just stick with me, and we're going to start right now. 5,010 of you right now as of this recording. So let me start reading off all the names. Ready? Just kidding. Hey. Thank you so much to the 5,000 plus subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can see my upcoming cooks, and go back and look at my old cooks if you're looking for something to cook. Tonight, I'm just gonna do a easy chicken fried chicken on the Blackstone Griddle. I've done a chicken fried pork chop before and it turned out amazing. I don't think I've done the chicken yet, so I'm gonna do the chicken fried chicken for you tonight. So let's get inside. I'm going to show you how I prepare this chicken, and then we'll come back out and get it going. All right, let's go. All right, it's time to break out the Man Kitchen mallet. Put your chicken in a gallon bag and just start pounding. We want to pound this down to about 1/4 inch thick. Look at that, just like that. All right, now we got our egg wash here. We've got some flour with some spicy SPG, a little bit of cornstarch. And we are just going to start getting our chicken in there. We're going to first go with the egg wash, then into the flour mixture. Just like this. Let it drip off a little bit. Get in your flour. Both sides, go back in the egg wash. Get it coated very well. And I'm using another small cookie tray for my egg wash since these are so big and flat. Anyway, you get flour on both sides. We're going to do both of them, and that's what you get right there. And we're going to take these out to the griddle and get these cooked up. Okay, how easy was that, right? Simple, basic chicken fried chicken. Got them right here. And I also had a yellow crookneck squash and a tomato out of the garden. Chopped up a little bit of onion. I'm going to throw these down there with it too, so let's get rolling. I got my Blackstone medium high heat. The olive oil is already starting to smoke a little bit, so let's get these on. Okay, let's get this chicken on there. Hopefully this goes well as planned. Just like that. This should cook up pretty fast. Since those are going to go so fast, I'm going to throw my vegetables on over here. They've already got some olive oil on them. So we're going to let those cook up. Okay, so when you're doing this, just be careful of the oil. Look at that, nice and golden brown. Let these go for about another minute. Okay, so these cook really fast. When I first laid them down, because of the temperature of the grill, after flipping them, they're cooking a little bit slower because you add that temperature of the meat on there. Okay, we're going to take the temp on these because we're going to get them up to 165 internal temp. Okay, this one here is reading done. I'm going to pull this one off. Look at that. Nice and golden brown. Okay, so we're going to let these go for about a minute. We're going to flip them, let them go about another minute, and then we'll take the temp. Just want to make sure you get them cooked through. They are so close. Oh yeah, that one's done. Pull that one off as well. That little bit. Look at that. Okay, let's get these vegetables off of here. Don't those look good? That's our crookneck and our tomatoes and onion. And of course, while everything is ready and resting, we're going to clean up the griddle before we go in and eat. We'll come back out, we'll take a taste test. But anyway, just clean it up right when you're done, and then it's ready to go the next time you're ready to use it. Throw a little more oil on there, and you're good to go. Okay, now let's get some pepper gravy made. We're going to use a 1/4 stick of butter. We're going to let that get all melty. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of flour, just bread flour, any flour you want. And you want to mix it in, let it go for a minute and a half. Just get it mixed really well. Then we're going to start adding some milk. Make sure you just stir it so you don't get any lumps. Just keep adding. You can tell the texture. I think I added a total of about a cup. And then salt to taste, and pepper gravy. You got to add lots of pepper. And this is a trick I saw on Facebook one time, and it works great to get a lot of pepper out of there. So once we get the pepper in, just mix it up really good. And then once you get it mixed, of course, you got to take a taste test of it. Make sure it's good. I think I'm going to add a little bit more milk, about a tablespoon, and then we'll be good to go. Get that mixed in. Get our fried chicken over here, and let's get some gravy on there. Look at that. Pile it on. Love pepper gravy. Put it on your mashed potatoes. Put it on everything. If you got bacon grease, use bacon grease or butter. It's great either way. Alright, look at that plate. Fried chicken, mashed potatoes, and veggies. And there you go. Fried chicken, mashed potatoes, got some veggies in there. Man, it cooks up really fast. Probably, I don't know, what, 3 minutes, 4 minutes? Super fast. Once you get your chicken all done up, make up your pepper gravy. Oh man, we got to try this, right? Get a piece of that with the gravy on there. Look at that. I'm telling you what, you make this at home, you won't want to order it out anymore. Let's see how this squash is. All of it's perfect. This fried chicken. Love chicken anyway. We make chicken all kinds of ways. This is one of our favorite ways. Got to have the pepper gravy though. If you got bacon grease, you can make it with bacon. Anyway, thanks for watching. Man, I don't even need a knife. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh my gosh, so good.